Since Cheongpoong Special Machine was established in 1993, our company has seen remarkable growth in building world-class manufacturing equipment around the world. In order to support our customers' international manufacturing plants all around the world, Cheongpoong has also expanded engineering and after-service capability locally via partnership and joint ventures with a highly respected and already established regional company. Our international partner joint venture offices in the USA, China, and Thailand, with an international engineering team that is fluent in English, Chinese, German, and Thai, will ensure that Cheongpoong is a true leader and the most unique global equipment and factory automation company in the world. The key to Cheongpoong's success has been understanding the customer's product and assembly process and final customer expectation. By Cheongpoong's engineering team working closely together with our customer's engineering team, we strive to innovate and think outside the box, to design and build final equipment which exceeds the customer's expectations. Because of Cheongpoong's continuous drive to innovate and reduce costs to our customers, our engineering team independently developed an off-the-shelf automatic radiator clinch machine, which could be purchased as standard or customized per the customer's preference. Cheongpoong's four-step engineering process consists of product and specification evaluation, design and development team throughput, manufacturing per print, and testing and customer evaluation. In the first step, product and specification evaluation, customer specifications and most importantly their expectations are evaluated. During this process, initial design concepts of machines are developed, from a project manager's organizing the design team to presenting ideas, to conducting safety and hazard risk assessment, verifying technical performances for cycle time calculation, and discussing previous lessons learned. This plays a fundamental role in developing the best possible design that has every design team's valuable input. Cheongpoong then presents the initial design concept for the customer's evaluation. Once the initial design concepts are approved by the customer, the second step, assessing the feasibility of design and development, is performed. Purchasing and outsourcing management team leaders gather lead time and costs for customers' preferred components to ensure that potential long lead components are identified early in the design phase. If required, team leaders will also schedule potential outside specialists to ensure a successful customer launch. This process has been highly successful in meeting the customer's timelines, increasing efficiency, and in the end result, which is highly qualified machines that customers expect from Cheongpoong. In the third step, from the integrated process and industry construction to utilizing highly experienced, skilled tradesmen, Cheongpoong builds and assembles machines that conform to international specifications. Once machines are ready to be tested, the final step takes place. Design teams perform intense construction inspection and correct any dissatisfaction raised by design team leaders. Once the design team leader is satisfied with all the corrections, error-proofing inspection and potential causes of malfunctions are evaluated by all design and manufacturing team members. This process will promote ultimately reliable machines while emphasizing product quality. The result is customer satisfaction in seeing how Cheongpoong has exceeded customers' expectations. Striving to lead high-quality manufacturing machine building worldwide Cheongpoong invests time and money on R&D teams to constantly research and develop the next generation of cost-effective, automated, and lean concept machines. Our constant emphasis on simplifying design and quality and minimizing the maintenance requirements on machines, Cheongpoong has been the envy of our competitors trying to duplicate the same success, which we have enjoyed for the past 20 years. Cheongpoong's unique and innovative automatic production system, coupled with the reputation for achieving high customer satisfaction, has played an important role in securing comparative advantages in this highly competitive business. Cheongpoong has been ISO 9001 and 2000 certified. In 2006, Cheongpoong was awarded the highly coveted InnoBiz Enterprise Award by SMBA. While being recognized by their peers and, more importantly, their customers, Cheongpoong completed the T200 column assembly line for Delphi Shanghai, the caliper brake automatic assembly line for Delphi Korea, the core assembly line for Borg Warner Turbo System, the drive shaft assembly line for GK & Company Ltd, and the CombiPack and blank conveyor for SIG. The on-off and OCV solenoid valve assembly line for Flextronics Saturn, and recently 5 different EPS assembly lines for Nextier. In addition, many other specialized assembly lines and machines have been exported to India, Iran, Egypt, and China. As a result, our business has been soundly growing and sales have been steadily increasing. Cheongpoong's motto is creating up-to-date technology and the greatest competitive power in automotive parts processing assembly and test inspection machine line, being the machine manufacturing leader for the next 20 years. Cheongpoong will always be with you when realizing a win-win partnership and creating high-value enterprise in the 21st century and beyond. Cheongpoong will exceed beyond our customers' highest expectations.